I welcome you all to this Ahobinagu Afro transmission. Find a comfort zone. Relax yourself. Relax your mind. You can lay down. You can sit in a meditative position. Anywhere that you feel comfortable, however you feel comfortable. Relax your mind, relax yourself, close your eyes. Ahobinagu is the chi of the forest. Ahobinagu does not function anywhere outside of the forest or anywhere that is artificial. Ahobinagu also serves as the electromagnetic shield of the earth. Basically, Ahobinagu prevents the sun from destroying our ecosystem. For you to channel this energy, you have to take your mind away from anything artificial. You have to take your mind away from the city. Think of the forest and imagine yourself in a forest. And as you are in the forest, as your chi is currently in the forest, I invite UGO to come and be with you. UGO is the father of beingness. UGO means peacefulness. UGO means health, beingness, liveliness.